Hey guys, Zakk here from MixChecks.com. Welcome back to this gospel mixing course. Today we're going to be working on organizing the project and dialing in a rough mix. Like I said in the last video, my previous gospel mixing course is still the most popular course on this channel, despite being terrible in terms of video quality and everything else. But we're jumping into a new one, and hopefully this one will be a step up above that one, and hopefully it'll be as popular as that old one. So let's jump right into this mix. Okay guys, time to dial in our rough mix. And just a quick bit, I don't know if you saw the last video about my gain staging rant, but just to go back and fix the thing I did in that one is I cranked this up 16 dB to illustrate my point that just because the meters in Logic say you're clipping does not mean you're going to hear distortion, which means it won't affect your mix, which means gain staging is a bunch of garbage. Okay. Unless you're in the analog world, okay? I saw someone post recently about gain staging in an analog world, which is something that's legitimate because you actually have to worry about signal to noise ratio when you're going from mic to preamp to console to your 1176 that's in your outboard rack back into the console. I mean, you have to worry about that kind of gain staging because you're going to start getting a lot of noise. But all the people that talk about gain staging inside of a DAW, it's all garbage, okay? Let's dial in our rough mix. Okay, so I have that set back to normal. Let's see where we're at. All right. There are some things in here that are crazy loud. And first, let's just get some organization going on. So I like to start with drums, as many people may know. Let's move the kick. Loop. Kind of consider the loop in gospel tracks drums. I normally put it at the end of my drums. Overheads. Snare. Here's the toms. Okay, I got the drums, and then after drums, I normally go to bass. And then after bass, I normally start with whatever the main instrument is. Usually in gospel tracks, it's the keys. I don't know that for sure on this particular track, but that's what I'm going to guess. And I just put that in the... Oh my gosh. Okay. Get it together, Zakk. All right. Lots of guitars on this one. Got some organ. And then let's see, strings, synths. All right, let's get those out of the vocal section. Okay. Soloist. I'm assuming that's a vocal. Let's make sure. Yep, vocalist. So I normally put my lead vocal first in terms of where the vocals go after all the instruments. Let's Let's see, audio 4. Let's see what this is. Might just be a dead track, yeah. I'm not seeing nothing on this one, so we're going to delete that. Bells, oh, that's an instrument. Put that after the organ. Got these audience things. I'm not going to really even bother with those till I'm done mixing everything else. Okay. And then let's just get a quick rough mix. Sometimes on a song like this, I don't even bother with the rough mix. I just jump right into the drums, but figure it can't hurt either. But I'm going to go to a part of the song that actually has all this in it. So it's looking like that's right here. Okay, so right now the choir's crazy loud. Looks like this could use a little bit more organization. I don't know what this choir... I don't know what this would be. It might just be a room. Yeah. It's just like the choir background vocal mic. All right. Not the direct mics. Okay. So I'm going to add that to the bottom since I'll probably feather that in at the very end. And then we needed to just bring down altos, sopranos, tenors. Just need to bring all these down. Gonna bring down the guitars a little bit. All right, the bell, I think that was the bells that was like crazy loud. Where are you? Oh yeah. This can come down. Okay. I mean, that's a basic rough mix. I mean, it's not the best rough mix in the world, but I do want to take the time to get rid of all these random numbers. Make it easier to find stuff later. Bass, do, nope. Speaking of typos, the song's called Such Love, but whenever I was typing it in for this video, or just whenever I was trying to save it too, I typed it in as Suck Love. Kind of liked it, just left it. If you were wondering, if for some reason you looked at the top of this screen and you saw that it said Suck Love, it's supposed to be Such Love. Oh, it wasn't typing. Let's see. Who knows all the shortcut keys I just did because I was typing Guitar. Okay, well, I definitely closed the inspector. Is that the only damage I did? Okay, we're good for now. I mean, I don't know what else I turned off or on, but I guess we'll find out if our mix starts sounding like crap. See, normally if you have an assistant engineer, this is the kind of stuff that they would do. Oh, what did I just call it strings 2. I'm going to change this from soloist to lead vocal. And alto 1, alto 2. Okay. So I'm just going to mute these for now. Don't need them. I'm also going to mute everything except for the drums. Okay. Rough mix dialed in. Tracks are named. Now I'm ready to start with the drums, and we will do that in the next video.